Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to address the Gido Testnet. I've done a video about this before, but there are a few changes which have been made inside the application, and I want to bring you up to speed about this new update. So remember, if you're mining Gido, you need to do testnet. You need to do a test transaction for you to unlock your tokens to the mainnet. So I've done a video before, but it's important you pay attention to this update because you may consider doing another transaction, especially if you have not done that before, and if you just want to be updated about the new update, you can also consider requesting the USDO Faucet to help you do the transaction. So this is what you're going to do. First of all, of course, you're going to be logging in to your Gido Chain account, either using their website or using the app. And for my case, for the app to work, it normally works best when I've turned my VPN on. So let me just activate my VPN. When you try to log in and you realize logging in is not working, you just need to activate your VPN. So I'm now going to be logging into my Gido Chain account. Okay, let me just try again. The application is a bit problematic. Let me try to log in through the website and see if it's going to be working out. So once I've logged in, yes, so I've refreshed. This is the interface once you have logged in. You have now to go to the wallet section. People I know have already created their wallet here before, and if you have not created your wallet, you need to enter your email address. Just come and click create wallet, enter the email you used to register on Gido Chain, create your password, and then enter a 6-digit PIN. So once you have completed all that, this is going to be the interface in front of you. You're going to be seeing your Gido points or Gido tokens, and you're going to be seeing your Gido address. Now, you're going to be seeing an option which has been added right here at the top right, and that is the Gido the Testnet Faucet. So you are going to be requesting the faucet here, and that is going to be helping you to do the swapping. So you're being asked to submit your Gido Testnet address, and where do you get this address? You're going to be clicking on deposit, and then you're going to be seeing your Gido address. Come and copy the address, go back and then go to the faucet section, come and submit this. Okay, so for me, I've already requested, so let me just tap on request. So I've already requested this, and I've already gotten the 10 USDO. So once you have received your tokens, where do you see them? You are going to see them at the bottom right here. You can actually see I've received the 10 USDT here, or USDO. That is for the Gido mainnet. So now you want to swap this USDO to, for example, Gido or test Gido. So this is what you do. Come to the swap section. Okay, so once you go to the swap section, you are going to see where you swapped from and to. So this is from and to, and you can actually see the USDO balance is appearing at the bottom right here. So when you now want to swap this USDO to Gido, for example, you come and select USDO at the top, and then now you want to swap this, for example, to Gido, okay? Or you can even swap to Gido. Then you can enter the amount you want to swap here. Let me say, for example, I want to use 0.1. So when you use 0.1, you're going to be getting 0.65 Gido tokens. And the reason as to why this is happening, let me just try to say, I want to use 0.15. Yes. Now you're going to notice if you go to the scan section, the value of that is the testnet value. The Gido price is valued at 0.15. So if you go to the wallet section and then you go to swap, if you enter 0.15, you're going to notice it is almost giving you let me just enter one Gido token is going to be giving you about 0.149 USDO. Okay, so let me now swap from USDO to Gido, for example. You can actually do this, and then I want to enter, let me use 0.5 for example. So with that, I'm going to be getting 3.2 Gido. You can actually see that. So let me click on swap. It is processing swap at the bottom right. Okay, let me just try again because it's saying error. Processing swap. Insufficient to pay gas fee for swap. Okay, I don't know which gas fee they need here, whether they need the Gido. Okay, let me swap to T Gido, because now remember, when I'm trying to swap to Gido, the main Gido is actually the main token. So let me use testnet Gido because that is going to be working. Let me swap, processing swap. Yes, swap is successful. You can actually see it has already been successful. So you can also do another swap, for example, USDO to, let's say, TUSDO. Okay, so let me use 0.2 USDO, and that's also going to be giving almost an equivalent amount. It's just like USD to USDT. They are almost at the same value. I swap, it's processing swap. Swap is success. Okay, so I do, let me try to see if I can swap to wrapped Gido, though I'm sure this may not work because this wrapped Gido is on mainnet and we are on testnet. So let me try. I swap this to wrapped. I use, let's say, 1 USDO. It's going to be giving me 6 wrapped Gido. Let me try. That's not working. That's actually on mainnet. Whenever they tell you insufficient Gido, it means you're trying to swap on mainnet, yet we are on testnet. So the only pair you can actually do is USDO to T Gido, testnet Gido, that is. I try to swap, let me say 1.5. I swap. Swap is success. You can actually see at the bottom right here. So that is basically what you need to do. That's basically what you can do. And now if you want to send to another user, for example, you just come to send, select, let me just refresh. You can actually send to another user. They only need to send you the testnet address for Gido. Send. Then you select the USDO or T Gido, whichever, on chain, or you can select Gido wallet user. Click on next, then go next like this. Then select the network you want to use, that is Gido chain. Paste the address that you want, where you are sending to, then select the amount you're sending. You can as well send even USDO to another user. Okay, so that's actually what testnet for Gido chain is all about. If you have not done this before, you can actually consider repeating the process. But if you have done the testnet before, you don't have to repeat this unless you just want to do an extra task. So that's all from me. Make sure you have joined our Telegram channel for subsequent updates. Otherwise, I'll be keeping you updated in the next video.